Tripod tutorial. Leg extension. Loosen the tripod leg lock and pull the tripod leg to the desired length. Tighten the tripod leg lock. Expand the legs by pulling the tripod open. Camera mount. Remove the quick release plate by loosening the latch. Attach the plate to the bottom of your camera with the mounting screw. Once the camera is attached, insert the plate back into the tripod head. Handle adjustment. Loosen the pan handle knob and rotate the handle to the desired position. Tighten the knob. Height adjustment. Loosen the height adjustment knob. Rotate the center column crank to lift and lower the tripod head. Tighten the height adjustment knob. Three-way pan or tilt. To pan the tripod head horizontally, loosen the horizontal pan knob. Using the pan handle, rotate the tripod head to the desired position. Tighten the horizontal pan knob. To tilt the tripod vertically, loosen the vertical tilt knob. Using the pan handle, tilt the tripod head up or down to the desired position. Tighten the vertical tilt knob.